Hello friends, today I will show you the uses of memory keys present on any calculator. Sometimes some students, children are not aware about the uses of these memory keys exist in the calculator. So I will show the uses of these memory keys with the help of easy examples. So let's start. So first of all, I will tell you what keys are basically available on the calculator, what memory keys are available. So these are MS, memory store, MR, memory recall, MC, memory clear, M plus, addition to the contents of the memory, M minus, subtraction from the contents of the memory. So first of all, we will know about the MS. MS is a memory store. So it just stores the value shown on the screen into the memory of the calculator. After storing the value in the memory, we can clear the contents by using C or AC from the screen, and we can also perform the other calculation, but the value will be stored into the memory that we have previously stored using the MS. So I will show with the help of example. So here I just type any number like 5 and I want to store it into the memory. I will click on the MS, that is memory storage. Now it is stored in the memory. Now I can clear the contents by clicking on clear. Now I will call the MR to retrieve the contents of the memory. So MR means memory recall. Now our next button is MR. MR is memory recall. So it just read the memory and show the contents on your screen. So I will again show with the help of example. Now in this case I just clear the values whatever shown on the screen. Now I just click on the MR. It will show the value stored into the memory. So some calculator does not contain MS, so in that case we can use M plus to store the value into the memory. So our next button is MC. MC is just delete the value stored into the memory. So normally when we delete the memory will be cleared and it will just show the 0, and sometime it does not show anything. So let's take an example. For example, I click on 8 and I store this number into memory by clicking M plus. So I click on M plus, it is stored into the memory. I click on AC to clear the contents. Now I will call the MR to recall the memory. Now I will click on the MC to clear the memory. Now again I will click on the AC to clear the contents. Now again I click on the MR to retrieve the contents of the memory. Now it is showing 0 because memory has been cleared using the MC. The next one is M plus. M plus is basically used to add more than one values into the memory. So the value shown on the screen will be added to the contents of the memory. So we will see an example. Okay, so here I have reset the calculator. Now first of all I will add any number into memory like 9. Now I will press M plus because MS is not available here. Now 9 is added. So you can see MR is automatically highlighted. So whenever I am using the memory function in this calculator, MR will be highlighted automatically. Okay, it shows that memory functions are activated. Okay, so now I will clear the screen by clicking on AC. Now I take another number like 6 and click on M plus. Now the number that was stored previously is added to this number. Now I again click on AC to clear the contents on the screen. Now I Now I click on the MR. Now the contents are added. So again I can add another numbers like 12 and click on the M plus, clicking on AC to clear the contents of the screen and click on the MR. So that's how we can store the and we can add the multiple numbers. So friends, M minus is also working similarly, but it only subtracts the number. So I also show the example. Here we know that the contents of the memory are 27, so I clear. Now I take any number like 20 and just click on M minus. So and then I will check the result after clearing the screen. Now result is 7. So that's how it works. Friends, now it is time to use these keys to solve the lengthy expression. So our lengthy expression is like 2 into 5, 6 division by 2 and 7 into 5. So we will solve this lengthy expression with the help of memory keys. So I have written all the steps. So first of all I will calculate 2 into 5 and I will press the MS or M plus. So I have reset the memory. Now I will click on 2 into 5 and it is 10. Now I will click on the M plus. Now it is stored into the memory. I can clear the contents from the screen. So in the next step I will calculate 6 divided by 2 and I will press M minus. So I will click on 6 divided by 2, it gives 3, and I will click on M minus 1. Okay, single time, only single time I press M minus 1 and then clear the contents using AC. So next I will calculate 7 into 5 and will press the M plus. So 7 into 5 equal to 35. Now I click on M plus button, single time, and now I will check the answer. So before checking the answer I will clear the contents of the screen by clicking on AC. Now I will click on MR. So MR is giving 42. So we have seen that the lengthy expression has been solved using the memory keys very easily. So student or friends, you can see the result is 42. So I tried my best to explain the basic functionality of the memory keys available on any calculator. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.